Peace begins with a smile. Ever since happiness had your name, it's been running through the streets trying to find you. Smile creates love and peace. Love and peace create smile. Anything you accept fully will get you there, will take you into peace. This is the miracle of surrender. To become is the highest achievement of the self. The measure of wisdom is how calm you are when facing any given situation. Learning to ignore things is one of the great paths to inner peace. For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind. I can have peace of mind only when I forgive rather than judge. If we are peaceful, if we are happy, we can smile, and everyone in our family, our entire society will benefit from our peace. Peace is costly, but it is worth the expense. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. You find peace not by rearranging the circumstances of your life, but by realizing who you are at the deepest level. When you accept what is every moment is the best moment, that is enlightenment. If there's no inner peace, people can't give it to you. The husband can't give it to you. Your children can't give it to you. You have to give it to you. If you cannot find peace within yourself, you will never find it anywhere else. Come from a space of peace, and you will find that you can deal with anything. When you make peace with yourself, you make peace with the world. Not one of us can rest, be happy, be at home, be at peace with ourselves until we end hatred and division. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us and the world will be as one. Peace brings with it so many positive emotions that it is worth aiming for in all circumstances. You will find peace not by trying to escape your problems, but by confronting them courageously. You will find peace not in denial, but in victory. Don't search for anything except peace. Try to calm the mind. Everything else will come on its own. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, You are living in the present. Nobody can bring you peace but yourself. The life of inner peace, being harmonious and without stress, is the easiest type of existence. It is inner stillness that will save and transform the world. People who wait for a magic wand fail to see that they are the magic wand. Praise others. It will bring them peace of mind. Do not expect others to praise you. It will bring you peace of mind. Calm down and cheer up. You are equipped to handle it.